Hey, are you interested in learning some do-it-yourself tips to help spruce up your home exterior and level up the curb appeal? I'm Robert with Robert Mitchell Homes and Rodeo Realty, and our team has been selling homes in Southern California for over 30 years. And during that time, we've learned which simple upgrades and maintenance go a long way to deliver top dollar when we sell our clients' homes. Let's get into some tips. First off, renew the entry, specifically your front door. A fresh coat of paint and a fun color or a brand new door will go a long way to refresh your home and set a great first impression. Next, we recommend certain landscape upgrades. A well-manicured yard and landscaping level up the curb appeal and potential buyer's first impression. Keep this in mind. For every dollar spent on the right landscape design can yield $3 return when you resell. Okay, next up, outdoor light fixtures. Specifically, upgrading the exterior light fixtures or at least putting in brighter bulbs helps tremendously. Tip 4, wash both sides of your windows. It is incredible how this often overlooked but straightforward maintenance step goes such a long way to making a home feel more open and really drawing the outside into the interior of the home, which is what you want in Los Angeles, California living. All right, tip 5, replace the welcome mat. This simple exterior accessory lets potential buyers know, perhaps subconsciously, that you're always serious about maintaining a clean home, which in turn is going to be attractive for them to purchase and live in. Also, a trendy welcome mat can be a fun way to show some personality and make your potential buyers feel comfortable as they walk in the door. All right, I am out of time now, but if you are considering selling your home, you should really download our free Home Seller's Handbook, which is 18 pages packed with tips and information to assist you in selling your home. You can download now for free, no obligations, at robertsellsla.com/free handbook. Thanks so much for checking this out. I'm Robert with Robert Mitchell Homes. Till next time.